Dell Inspiron 5000 laptop computer Dell I5575. Review deal discount unboxing setup. 2 weeks in, I'm happy with it. I can run GTA 5, low settings, at 30-50 FPS, CPU sits at 50% or below. Obviously limited by the integrated GPU UHD 620. But gaming is not what this laptop was made for. Photoshop, After Effects, browser multiple tabs, a few file explorer windows, and whatever else running at the same time isn't a problem. When I first booted it up and got rid of Dell's bloatware, it ran pretty hot even over 200F under heavy use. I updated all the drivers and have not seen the temp exceed 180F since. Sysinfo and Specky shows 2 physical RAM modules. One 4GB and one 8GB, both Hyundai Electronics DDR4 2400, 1200 MHz. So I guess I got an upgrade from my 8GB order to 12GB total physical memory. Both hard drives are SATA i6GB. Boot time is very fast, maybe 10-15 seconds. For its size, weight, battery life, and i7 performance, I'm happy with it. No problem with this one, although the touchpad like Lenovo's is a bit touchy. These new big touchpads have a click function that's incredibly annoying. Whatever happened to the point mouse on Dell's? It's sorely missed, and it's not even on the Lenovo's, which were IBM's, and IBM is the company that started that sort of mouse, which was very accurate compared to that stupid touchpad. I'd rather shut it off. Its only good use is for tiny movements if you need to fix photos in very high res. I also don't like how the batteries are inside now. Harder to replace but still doable. Fortunately I ordered the one with the second hard drive. Unfortunately the SSD is rather small. A 240-250 is the min I'd suggest. I have about 49GB left on the OS drive. This isn't mine, but Mom wanted a Dell and I had to buy her a tablet in order for her to get one. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.